My name is Timothy, and I'm a trainee engineer with SSEN Distribution. I chose the trainee engineering program because it gives me the opportunity to learn while I work. When I looked at the roles associated with the trainee engineer program, it gave me an opportunity to be involved in the progressive work that SSE is doing. It also gives me, because I wanted to just go ahead and study electrical engineering in the university, it gives me that bit of experience also while studying, so I can put my theory knowledge into practical, and that felt like a very great opportunity for me. The difference between the trainee engineer program and the apprenticeship program is that the apprenticeship program, the end product is to be as a craftsperson, which is the linesmen, the jointers and the fitters, going out and making sure the network is safe physically. Whereas the trainee engineer program is to be an electrical engineer, which means you'll be the one planning the jobs for the craftsmen to go out and take out those instructions you've given them. The reason I chose SSE is because the company appears to be a really progressive company. They're a company that have found a way to evolve and also change as the world is also changing. Another reason is their main impact on the global warming and how they've tried to help and how they've been involved in assisting with how the world is changing in that aspect. When you join the trainee engineer program, on your first year, you'll be going to college as well as going out to see the guys work. You'll be going with the three major teams in the distribution section, the jointers, the fitters and the linesmen, and you'll be going to see what their work entails, because your end role would be something like planning their jobs and you need to know what is involved. In the second year, you'll be going out to build your portfolio for certain authorizations you would need as at the end role, and this would involve going out to see different jobs, going out to know on different jobs, but because you have to know what is going on in order to be able to do this. And in the third year, it's more like a practice year where you'll be given small jobs to prepare you for your end role ahead and to give you an insight as to what it would look like as an electrical engineer with SSE. In terms of the support I receive, I have my own mentor who was assigned to me at the start of my program. I also have my line manager. Your mentor, it would be the person in charge of all your movements around. When you're going out with the guys, your mentor will be one to plan it. And if you feel like you need any assistance or anything, you can reach out to your mentor and he would be the one to help you. Or if he can't help you, he would make sure that he gets someone who can answer your question. In terms of the college work, we have a college team, which we take regular surveys from them to see how we're doing in college. And they also have reviews with us to see how we're doing in college and if there's anything they can improve. My advice to anyone considering joining the trainee engineer program would be that it's a really good program, and I would really advise you to join because there are so many opportunities, not only at the program, but once entering the company, there are so many levels of opportunities, and you also get to be educated and you get to earn while you're being educated.